All right, this is the Diligent Defense Road Hunter. 22. Ready? Off the steel. That was super quiet, right, guys? Oh, I'm just kidding. All right, let's try that again. All right. We have the Diligent Defense Road Hunter. Is that shooting?
Yeah.
Are you fucking serious?
Yeah.
I thought I was...
That's CCI Quiet.
Bro, I thought I was having, like, issues. There ain't no way that's shooting.
That's how it sounds.
That's in... Oh, my God. What
Hear
the
it down the range?
fuck?
That's CCI Quiet. It's in the bolt gun with the Road Hunter.
This sounds like fucking negligent, like, not negligent. This sounds like hard primer strike or something.
You're just dropping a fire pin.
Holy shit.
I'm telling you. You heard it.
That's incredible.
I know. You don't hear anything.
Oh my God. All right.
You want to do another one? But now that you realize what you got.